Hi guys, it's Chun. Welcome to this video. We are from group. Today, we are going to carry out a spoofing experiment focused on face recognition. In this video, we have 3 spoofing methods to be testing, which is a printed face photo, a digital face photo display on the screen, and a face video replay. Before spoofing, we will also having a normal authentication and system usability test to make sure that the system works correctly and accurately. So, can the system be fooled by a photo or even video of my own face? Let us check it out. The materials for this experiment are very simple. We have a laptop and a phone. This phone right here is the target device. It has face recognition enabled, and this is the phone we are trying to unlock. And this laptop is used as the attack device. I'll be using it to display my face photos and videos to try and fool the system. So yeah, the printer, the fancy equipment, the extra hardware, just a laptop and a phone with different conditions. Alright, before we start spoofing, let us do a normal authentication test. So after we have set up the face recognition, let us see if a normal authentication system works with my real face. This is just to confirm that the face recognition works properly with my real face. So now I'm using my real face, no tricks, no photos, no videos, just a normal unlock. So let's see. And yes, as we can see, the phone unlocked successfully. Alright, so let us try one more time. So after we try one more time, yes, it really works. Before moving on to the spoofing methods again, let us try face recognition under different brightness level, including normal, high and low. This is just to make sure that the face recognition works properly and accurately. So let's start with normal brightness, which is the most user environment. Alright, so let's see. Okay, the phone unlocked successfully. So under normal lighting, the system works smoothly and consistently. For high brightness, I will add on a phone flashlight directly on my face to stimulate a very bright environment. Let's see if this works. Alright, the phone successfully unlocked. So as we can see, even under high brightness, the face recognition still performs well. Alright, now move on to the last system usability test. We were testing low brightness. So the room lights are off and the only light is coming through the door from outside. So let's see if it can still unlock. Wow, the phone can still unlock. That's really amazing. So even in a really low light, the phone can still recognize my face reliably. So after the system usability test, it shows a solid baseline and make sure that the brightness will not affect before we're moving on to the spoofing methods. Alright, so now it's time for spoofing methods. We are going to try a few common face spoofing methods and see how secure the face recognition system actually is. So let us start from the first one. In our first spoofing method, I will try using a normal printed photo of my face and try to see whether the phone can be unlocked or not. This is one of the most basic face spoofing methods. Alright, let's try to unlock the phone using this printed photo and see what will happen. Okay, looks like the phone still locked. Never mind, let us try again. Yeah, still can't unlock. So it looks like the phone can't be fooled by a printed photo. So for the printed photo attacks, it looks like the face recognition system can successfully work against it. Well, this is good exactly. Right, now let's moving on to our next spoofing method, the digital face photo spoofing. In this method, instead of using a printed photo, I'm using a digital photo display on this laptop. So let's see if this works. Okay, the phone still locked. Let us try one more time. The phone doesn't seem to unlock. So for the digital photo spoofing, the result is pretty clear. The face recognition system works. That's good. Now let us move on to our final spoofing methods. Now, for the last spoofing method in this video, we are going to try the video replay spoofing. Instead of using a static image, I'm gonna play a video of my face. I will keep my face moving and turning around to make sure that it will be not static. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, let's try to unlock the phone using this face video replay. Okay, it's still locked. Never mind, now we try one more time. Alright, the phone is still locked. So, for face video replay spoofing, yes, the system successfully rejected. That's pretty good. So through our 3 different spoofing methods, the face recognition system successfully rejected all attempts. That means these face recognition systems are designed with anti-spoofing mechanism and its security is totally strong. In conclusion, the face authentication system demonstrates strong resistance against common face spoofing methods. And that's the end of this experiment. Remember, this was done on my own devices and only for academic purpose. Thanks for watching.